Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money from crypto.com to my bank account. Well, it's very easy to do it and everything you can do it in the mobile application. So on the here I will explain you. So first of all you have to open crypto.com on your device, basically the mobile application. Navigate to the accounts or wallet section, which is always in the bottom right side corner. Then you have to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to your bank account. So usually you will get option of fiat currency or tether, right? And then you have to tap on transfer or withdraw option. Choose the option to withdraw to bank account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in fiat currencies such as USD, Euro, or whatever currency your country has. Select the bank account you want to deposit the funds into. If you haven't added your bank account yet, you may need to do so by providing the necessary information. So this is very obvious. Review the withdrawal details to ensure accuracy, including any fee associated with the transaction. Right, then you have to confirm the withdrawal by entering any required authentication such as PIN or biometric verification, depending upon devices. Once confirmed, the withdrawal process will initiate depending on your bank account and the cryptocurrency network. It may take some time for the funds to reflect in your bank account. You can typically trace the progress of the transaction with this application. Once the funds have been successfully deposited into your bank account, you will receive a confirmation notification. Now you can access the deposited fund in your bank account as you normally do. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful.